Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do the unboxing of this Tama snare drum. You can see the model here. Okay, it's a Metalworks snare drum, matte black. Okay, so here goes. Okay, there. Open it up. You can see the nice drum, matte black. Okay, here's the instruction and the key. I'll take it all out. Okay, so it's off the box and the wrapper is off. You can see the side. Looks really good. Matte black all around. Okay, I'm going to flip it over now. Okay, then you have the transparent base. Okay, and the snare. This is what gives the snare effect. Okay, again, you can check out the model number. This is by Tama. Made in China though. Okay, no choice. Just got to live with that. Okay, and I've paired it with this Tama limited edition Hickory traditional series. You can see okay, this fortunately is made in Japan, as you can see here. Okay, so you can put out with my rusty drumming skills. I'm just going to try and see how it sounds. Okay, there it goes. So unfortunately I can only use one stick. Okay, partly because it's not sitting on the stand, so you don't really hear the snare, but I'm sure you have fixed this onto the snare drum stand. You can hear the snare effect much better. Okay, so that's all you hear for now. Okay, so overall, okay, I think this is a pretty excellent drum. Okay, so okay, very nice matte black finish. Right, you can see all very nice. Okay, yep, you can hear the snare there. Okay, and there it is. Thank you very much for watching my unboxing of the Tama snare drum. Okay, come back for more. I'm going to slowly unveil the rest of the equipment that I have for the Cajun drums set. Okay, thank you very much. See you again. Bye.